Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to verify your age on Character AI in 2026, so you can properly access all available features on your account. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To verify your age on Character AI, simply go to your profile icon and hit Settings. In here, you would see an advanced panel. Hit the advanced and verify your age. Now, this would redirect me to the verification process. Now, just hit begin verifying and just simply go ahead and verify with your desktop camera or your phone. Make sure that you are not using any glasses, that you're currently in a bright room, so the Character AI would be able to assess your face and verify your age quickly. Now continue with the process. After all of the verification process, and that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.